Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using Working Nomads. Working Nomads, workingnomads.com, serves as a valuable resource for individuals seeking remote work opportunities. The platform boasts a diverse array of job listings spanning various industries, catering to a wide range of skills and experience levels. From freelance gigs to full-time positions, Working Nomads offers something for everyone looking to embrace the digital nomad lifestyle or simply work from the comfort of their home. The website is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with clearly defined categories and a powerful search function that allows users to filter jobs based on keywords, location preferences, if any, salary expectations, and company size. This streamlined approach ensures that you can quickly find opportunities that align with your specific needs and goals. Regular updates to the job board mean that fresh listings are constantly being added, providing a dynamic and current overview of the remote job market. Beyond job listings, Working Nomads provides valuable resources and articles focused on remote work best practices, tips for landing your dream remote job, and insights into the nomadic lifestyle. This supplementary content further solidifies its position as a comprehensive hub for those seeking remote work opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just beginning to explore the world of remote work, Working Nomads equips you with the tools and information you need to succeed. The platform emphasizes legitimate, reputable companies, striving to connect job seekers with genuine opportunities. This commitment to quality helps instill confidence in the listings and provides a sense of security for users as they navigate the sometimes complex world of online job hunting. With its comprehensive listings, user-friendly interface, and commitment to quality, Working Nomads is a powerful resource for anyone considering remote work. It simplifies the search process, allowing you to focus on finding the perfect opportunity to match your skills and lifestyle.